What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to compare Gorgias and Zendesk. Gorgias and Zendesk are two prominent customer service platforms, each catering to different business needs and industries. While Gorgias is specifically designed for e-commerce, particularly for Shopify users, Zendesk offers a more generalized customer support solutions suitable for various sectors including healthcare and airlines. Now, let's explore their features. Let's start with Gorgias. Automate customer service. Gorgias Automate streamlines customer support by integrating an AI agent with your existing knowledge and data systems. This feature allows businesses to automate up to 60% of customer interactions, enabling quicker responses and freeing up human agents to focus on complex inquiries. The AI's performance is continuously improved through quality assurance checks and feedback, fostering trust in automated responses while enhancing overall efficiency in customer service operations. Centralized Helpdesk solution. Gorgias Helpdesk centralizes customer support by consolidating various communication channels into one platform. This feature allows businesses to manage inquiries from email, chat, social media, and more in a single interface. By providing a holistic view of customer interactions, the help desk enhances response times and ensures consistent service quality. This integrated approach simplifies workflow for support teams, ultimately leading to improved customer experiences and increased loyalty. Boost conversion rates. Gorgias Convert is designed to enhance site conversion rates and maximize return on ad spend. By utilizing targeted campaigns throughout the customer journey, it transforms visitors into buyers. The platform offers personalized interactions, AI-driven product recommendations, and seamless integration with live chat, ensuring customers receive timely support. This comprehensive approach not only increases sales but also improves customer satisfaction and repeat purchases through tailored shopping experience. On the other hand, Zendesk offered AI-powered support. Zendesk's AI capabilities harness billions of real customers' interactions, enabling personalized support without extra effort. This technology automates responses and enhances agent performance by providing insights and suggested replies, significantly improving efficiency and customer satisfaction across various channels. Seamless messaging. Zendesk's messaging solution allows businesses to connect with customers through multiple platforms, including websites and social media. This omnichannel approach ensures that customers receive instant personalized assistance, enhancing engagement and streamlining communication without overwhelming support teams. Integrated voice solutions. With Zendesk's voice features, businesses can manage all customer interactions in one place. This integration allows for efficient handling of calls, enabling agents to access customer information instantly, thus improving response times and overall service quality while ensuring a seamless experience. Workforce engagement management. Zendesk's workforce engagement management tools empower organizations to optimize their staffing and improve agent performance. By analyzing data on customer interactions, businesses can ensure the right resources are in place, enhancing service delivery and employee satisfaction while reducing operational costs. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Let's start with Gorgias. Limited email capabilities. Gorgias lacks robust mass email functionality, which can hinder communication strategies for businesses needing to reach larger customer segments simultaneously. Users have reported difficulties in executing mass communications, leading to inefficiencies and frustration, particularly during promotional campaigns or important announcements where timely outreach is crucial. Integration challenges. While Gorgias offers numerous integrations, some users have found that certain third-party applications require additional costs and complex setups. This can create barriers for businesses seeking seamless functionalities across platforms. Furthermore, the limitation in documentation for advanced integrations can lead to confusion and delays in implementation, affecting overall productivity. Reporting limitations. Users have noted that Gorgias reporting features are not as comprehensive as those offered by competing platforms. This lack of detailed analytics can make it difficult for businesses to measure productivity effectively and derive actionable insights from customer interactions. Consequently, teams may struggle to optimize their processes and improve service quality based on performance data. On the other hand, Zendesk suffers data management issues. Zendesk's users often face challenges with data management, particularly regarding uploading and exporting information. Intermittent problems can lead to data loss, creating uncertainty and frustration for businesses that rely on accurate data for customer interactions and reporting, ultimately hindering operational efficiency. Steep learning curve. The complexity of Zendesk's features can overwhelm new users, resulting in a steep learning curve. This may require significant time and resources for training, potentially delaying the effective implementation of the platform and reducing the overall efficiency of customer service operations from the start. High pricing structure. Zendesk's pricing can be a significant drawback, especially for small to mid-sized businesses. The cost of licenses and the complexity of pricing plans may deter potential users, making it essential for organizations to evaluate whether the platform's value justifies its high financial commitment. In conclusion, choosing between Zendesk and Gorgias hinges on your business's specific needs. Gorgias excels in e-commerce integration and AI-driven automation, while Zendesk offers versatile solutions suitable for various industries. Assess your requirements carefully to enhance customer support effectively. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.